How to fix error 0x80004005 on Windows. 1. Run file and folder troubleshooter. 2. Run a system file checker scan. 3. Take ownership of the folder. 4. Clean boot your Windows to find out the troublemaker. 5. Edit the folder's title via command prompt. cdc:\users\username here \folder name here ren username here new folder name here 6. Extract compressed files with archive software, such as 7-zip. 7.